loud, so you might not be able to hear me for the remaining of the video. But basically, yeah, we're just going to the car wash, to be honest. And yeah, we got more than halfway full tank of gas, so it should be good. To like downshifting and stuff, because I used to be able to do it, but now it's just like I haven't driven it for so long. I'm gonna quieten it up, shift to a lower gear. Well, this is the first like POV in the E36, so let me know how I did. It should turn green, I think. Car's a straight pipe 4-cylinder with a auto zone muffler on it, so I don't think it's, you know, good at all, but basically just gonna vibe the whole way there. It's like maybe 5-10 minutes, so should be there. All right, go. My girlfriend gave me. I don't know if y'all can see it, but pretty cool. accidentally went into manual instead of downshifting, but we're all good yet. Finna turn green, so. Alright, just go side, or just like act like you're turning the lane, but don't actually turn it. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, I don't even know how I'm gonna get in the car wash. My front splitter is like really low, so. Oh yeah, I haven't showed y'all yet, but y'all see it today though. And then I have another video coming out, how I put it on, and something else that I put on too. But fix my mirror. Alright, cool. Alright. Start to slow down. Put on the blinker for no reason because we're in a BMW. What the hell is that? Alright, bet. We're cool. Oh, we got a carbon fiber wallet my girlfriend also got me, dog. It's nice, nice. Show. We got pre-soak. Yeah, I gotta watch out for this. Oh, I guess not. Okay, cool. Anyways, that window doesn't go up because I don't have the window motor or regulator in there. And I bought a new one, but I waited to get my car running so I can put it in. So I'm gonna probably take my car to the shop and do that somehow. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and grab our, you know what it is, you know what it do. I'm gonna pull the sleeves up, and we're gonna get to, it's like slightly going over it. fell. So that's the story. Oh, this wheel was dirty. Boy, this wheel was dirty. I got some extra, some extra foam in there. I can really, bro. I don't even got a lot of foam left. Bro, it's chipping right here, dog. I gotta repaint that. What's it called? Some on the other side too. I don't know, bro. All right, bet. No, but honestly though, the whole point of just coming to the car wash, it's not because I like care for my car or whatever, or just like want to just drive it, but it's just the vibe that like goes on at night. Like no one's around you, you know what I'm saying? Like people working out and stuff, but it's just you, your car, and then if anybody else is across from you, they're not gonna bother you. But I mean, it's just like the vibe, bro. I ain't gonna lie, the vibe is just there tonight. I ain't gonna lie. Not gonna lie, I had to raise my car because it wouldn't back up because it was on the freaking, y'all can't see it, but it was on the freaking stock wheel or stock quarter panel. It was just sitting on it, dog, sitting on like a Like a lazy dog, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Oh my God, these wheels. Ugh. I haven't seen these wheels clean in a minute. Ugh. All right, this looks pretty clean to me. To be honest. Front splitter. Wait, hold on. I just see like 3 old people just standing there. Yes, I'm using my blinkers. Oh man. Sunday, so everybody's like, you know, getting ready for work. So I'm gonna be quiet. But yeah, that basically concludes the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed the first POV drive in my E36 wide body. I think it was really fun, but let me know in the comments if y'all liked it or not. So like and subscribe.